Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you easy and nutritious cabbage recipe with roasted and soaked moong dal. For making this recipe, add 3 tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon mustard seed. Saute until crackle, then add quarter teaspoon cumin seed. Saute for few seconds, then add curry leaves and a dried red chili. Saute until it fragrant. Reduce the heat, add a pinch hing and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Add small size chopped cabbage. I have blanched the cabbage before adding. Keep stirring for 2 minutes over medium to high heat. Then add 2 tablespoons roasted and soaked yellow lentils. I have dry roasted the lentils and soaked for half an hour. Now add a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon red chili powder. Put a lid, cover and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, open the lid, stir well, give a good mix and well combine. Cabbage recipe will more tasty whenever you will give a good mix and toss. Reduce the heat, put the lid, cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then open the lid, press well in the side way. Press so that the cabbage will cook with steam. Cook for 2 minutes. Our recipe is done. It's a nutritious and easy recipe. Serve this yummy cabbage with chapati, that is called tel roti. Thanks for watching.